Most traders blow their accounts in 3 months. Ours, they're built to win, long term. We don't just teach strategies, we rewire the trader. Mindset, routine, risk control, execution. That's our edge. Our traders follow a step-by-step system. They journal every trade, they track their psychology, and they never, ever trade without a plan. Journal, grade emotions, learn, repeat. We hold them accountable. Daily breakdowns, live check-ins. We don't let bad habits slide, because accountability creates consistency. You can keep guessing, or you can train to trade like a pro, ready to stop blowing accounts and start compounding. Let's build you right. DM the word WIN to get trained. We don't guess, we train to win.